In this video, I'm going to show you how the Append tool works in ArcGIS Pro. The Append tool is similar to the Merge tool because it combines data from one or more sources. But the main difference is that the Append tool adds features to an existing dataset. In this example, we're going to append buildings in a new housing development. As you can see in our map, there are two sets of data. The pink buildings on the left are existing, and the purple buildings on the right are new construction. If we want to transfer the new buildings to the existing dataset, it would be best to use the Append tool. Let's try this out in ArcGIS Pro. First, go to the Analysis tab. Then, select the Tools button. The geoprocessing tools will appear on the right pane. Type in Append in the search bar. Now, click the Append tool. Let's take a look at the inputs required. The first input is the data that we want to transfer. So in our case, I want to transfer the new buildings in purple into our existing dataset. The target dataset is where the features will be appended into. So in our case, this will be the existing buildings layer. There is an option here for adding expressions. You can do this if you want to limit which features get appended. Finally, the last option is to change the field matching type. If your fields don't match from the input into the target dataset, then you will have to set the option here. But in my case, both fields completely match, so I'm just going to leave this the same. Okay, let's run the tool. Once the process is complete, you can see that the existing buildings layer now has those new features. There you have it. The Append tool has the capability to add data from another source, but it can also be from multiple sources. Then, it transfers this data into an existing target dataset. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video today on appending data. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope to see you again in the next video.